साथ संगत जी प्यार से कहना, धन्यकार जी, you have gathered here because of your great love for Babaji. He may not be physically present here, but will always remain with us through his teachings, which we have to follow. The love he gave to each and everyone was unforgettable. His smile gave us so much energy and it filled us with positivity. Babaji's day would begin with reading the messages and mails of the Mahapurush and even the handwritten notes, or no matter how big they were. He travelled far and wide to spread the mission, sacrificing his comforts and sleep. And sometimes the roads were not very comfortable also initially. Sangat meant more than the family to him. He taught us it's not just the relatives that are the family. He used to say the Sangat is a large, one big family. As the Avatar Vani says, Satgur nu Sikh pyare apne puttar diyan to. Each one of you is Babaji's family. This is how he felt. I pray to Nankar to give me strength also to love you all as he did. He had love and respect for the young and elders. His vision was and still is that youth should work hand in hand with the elders. The energy and strength of the youth and wisdom of the elders should be used to take the mission forward with lots of love and humility and compassion. All these goals have to be achieved with that only. I was lucky enough to spend so many years with him. He made a perfect balance as a father, son, brother, husband. But he felt happiest when he was amongst you all saints. Now we have to take this oath as one big family of Babaji that we will do whatever he wanted from us with dedication. Converting all egos into humility, because ego is the worst enemy you can have, and thus share true love with everyone. None is without love in the heart, but it's the ego that sometimes overpowers it. A few days back, the children were singing, "We shall walk hand in hand someday." Why wait for someday when I do believe in my heart that saints don't have to wait for someday. With Nankar's blessings, you all can bring that world together very soon, and a world without walls. You all have given me so much love and affection, and I must confess I need all your love and energy to fill all goals set by Babaji. Last year जब हम नायग्रा फॉल्स गए तो अभी भी साथ था, एंड नायग्रा के बारे में उसने कहा कि नायग्रा की सुंदरता इसलिए है कि इतना विशाल होके भी वो नीचे झुका हुआ है, और अगर यही पानी ऊपर आ जाए तो कोई 2 मिनट भी इधर ना ठहर पाए। अभी ने अपना हर रिश्ता एक गुरसिक की तरह निभाया। Let us all focus on the spirituality and teachings given to us by Shahanshah Ji, Baba Gurbachan Singh Ji, Raj Mata Ji and Baba Hardev Singh Ji. Raj Mata Ji also played an important role to spread the mission. She gave love to all. Now all you saints are working tirelessly to spread the mission. We have to keep our focus on Nankar, and then everything else will fall into place. साथ संगति, जितनी ज़रूरत बच्चों को माँ की होती है उतनी ही माँ को बच्चों की भी होती है। ऐसी ही गुरु को संगत की होती है, और मिशन को आगे बढ़ाने के लिए सब संगत ने मिलजुल कर एकता और पॉजिटिविटी के साथ आगे बढ़ना है। नंकार कृपा करे सब महापुरुष सेवा सिमरन सत्संग में आगे से आगे और बढ़ चढ़ के हिस्सा लें। यहाँ पे जो इतना बड़ा कार्य हो पाया है, ट्रिब्यूट टू ह्यूमननेस, इट्स ऑल ड्यू टू योर लव एंड डेडिकेशन। चाहे वो सेवा दल है या संगत के महापुरुष हैं या कोई और मेंबर्स जिनकी ड्यूटी लगी थी, और आगे भी सबने ऐसे ही मिलजुल के सारे कार्य निभाने हैं। I would also like to thank all the delegates who are present here. I would like to say one thing more as a tribute to Babaji. बाबा जी हमसे एक उम्मीद और रखते थे, दुनिया के किसी भी हिस्से में रहने वाला उनका गुरसिक नशीले पदार्थों से दूर रहे। हमने इन आदेशों को ज़िंदगी का हिस्सा बनाना है। नाउ लेट्स प्लेज एज अ ट्रिब्यूट वी शुड कीप अवे फ्रॉम वट एवर बाबा जी वॉन्टेड अस टू कीप अवे। साध संगत जी, धन निरंकार।